Looking to upgrade your workspace without breaking the bank? We all know that a well-organized and aesthetically pleasing workspace can significantly boost productivity and creativity. But let's face it, office makeovers can quickly become expensive, especially when you start looking at high-end furniture and designer organizers. That's why we're diving into the world of budget-friendly DIY solutions. In this video, we've curated some top office DIY tools and organizers that blend style, utility, and affordability. We've scoured Amazon to find the best deals on items that will not only help you declutter and organize, but also add a touch of personality to your workspace. Forget about generic, boring office supplies. We're talking about clever storage solutions, customizable desk accessories, and innovative tools that will make your workday more enjoyable. Whether you're working from home, battling distractions from family members or pets, or in a bustling office surrounded by colleagues and constant interruptions, these Amazon products will help you stay productive, organized, and clutter-free. We understand the challenges of maintaining focus and efficiency in different work environments, and that's why we've carefully selected products that cater to a variety of needs and preferences. We'll show you how to transform a chaotic desk into a streamlined command center, create a calming and inspiring atmosphere, and maximize your workspace without sacrificing style or comfort. From space-saving shelves and drawer dividers to ergonomic accessories and cable management solutions, we've got you covered. But it's not just about functionality. We also believe that your workspace should reflect your personality and inspire you to do your best work. That's why we've included items that come in a variety of colors, styles, and materials, so you can create a workspace that truly feels like your own. So, whether you're a student, a freelancer, a remote worker, or an office professional, get ready to discover some amazing DIY tools and organizers that will revolutionize your workspace and boost your productivity without emptying your wallet. Let's get started. Why watch this video? We've got budget-friendly DIY office essentials, tips to save space and reduce desk clutter, and ways to boost your productivity with style. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more product recommendations and DIY hacks. Let's dive right into our top picks. Let's dive into the world of desk organization, where chaos transforms into order, and productivity gets a serious boost. We're kicking things off with a product that's not just functional, but also adds a touch of class to your workspace. First up, the MOOKA Wooden Desk Organizer. This isn't just another desk tidy, it's a statement piece that says, "I'm organized and I have great taste." This elegant and functional piece is perfect for keeping all your stationery, documents, and those little knickknacks that tend to clutter your desk all in one place. Imagine a world where your pens aren't lost in the abyss, your important papers aren't buried under a mountain of notes, and your desk actually looks presentable for that impromptu video call. That's the promise of the MOOKA Wooden Desk Organizer. Its multiple compartments make it incredibly versatile. You've got slots for your pens and pencils, shelves for your notebooks and folders, and even a little drawer for those more personal items you want to keep tucked away. Think of it as your own personal command center right there on your desk. No more rummaging through drawers or searching under piles of paper. Everything you need is right at your fingertips, neatly organized and easily accessible. And the best part? It adds a touch of sophistication to any desk without breaking the bank. We all want a workspace that looks good, but we don't want to spend a fortune to achieve it. The MOOKA Wooden Desk Organizer strikes the perfect balance between style and affordability. It's made from high-quality wood with a smooth finish that looks and feels great. It's the kind of piece that will impress your colleagues and make you feel good about your workspace. So if you're looking for a way to declutter your desk, boost your productivity, and add a touch of elegance to your workspace, the MOOKA Wooden Desk Organizer is definitely worth considering. It's a small investment that can make a big difference in your daily life. Say goodbye to desk clutter and hello to a more organized, efficient, and stylish you. It's not just about tidying up, it's about creating a workspace that inspires you to do your best work. A workspace that reflects your personality and helps you achieve your goals. And the MOOKA Wooden Desk Organizer is the perfect first step on that journey. Let's explore the Funvention Windmill DIY Pen Stand. This isn't just another desk accessory, it's a hands-on experience that combines creativity, engineering, and functionality. This mechanical model offers a delightful escape from the ordinary, transforming the mundane task of desk organization into an engaging and rewarding activity. Imagine the satisfaction of building your own miniature windmill, complete with rotating blades and a practical pen storage solution. It's a project that sparks curiosity, encourages problem solving, and provides a tangible sense of accomplishment. The Funvention Windmill DIY pen stand is more than just a kit. It's an invitation to explore the world of mechanics and design in a playful and accessible way. This unique DIY project is a fun and creative way to organize your desk. Forget about boring pen holders. This is a conversation starter, a miniature work of art that you built yourself. The process of assembling the windmill is designed to be both educational and entertaining, making it a perfect activity for individuals of all ages and skill levels. It's a unique DIY project that results in a functional rotating pen stand, adding a playful touch to your workspace while keeping your essentials handy. Picture this: your pens, pencils, and other desk necessities neatly organized within the base of the windmill, ready to be accessed with a simple spin. The rotating feature not only adds a whimsical element but also ensures that everything you need is always within reach. The Funvention Windmill DIY pen stand is a testament to the idea that learning can be fun and that even the most practical objects can be infused with creativity and imagination. It's a project that will brighten up your workspace, spark your imagination, and remind you that even the simplest things can be extraordinary when approached with a spirit of innovation and playfulness. So, get ready to unleash your inner engineer and create a desk accessory that is as functional as it is fun. Here are a few quick tips to keep your workspace organized and productive. Use cable organizers to avoid tangles, add a small plant for a fresh vibe, and label your storage boxes for easy access. Little changes can make a big difference. There you have it, our must-have office DIY products. These budget-friendly Amazon finds are designed to help you save space, reduce clutter, and boost your productivity and style. Have a favorite item from the list? Comment below, we'd love to know which one fits your workspace best. All links are in the description. Buying through them supports the channel at no extra cost to you. Thanks for watching.